everybody, Yapah here. How are you? I hope you're doing well today. It is a new week and it's actually 2025 now. Yeah, how you doing? Today I plan on finishing the drafting of the dress. Grading the dress down to a small, and up from a medium to a large. So if I have enough time, hopefully I can get both of them done before their nap time, and because that would be great. I'm going to be doing most of this stuff sitting down because today I'll be going to dance practice again. I went last week. I had so much fun. It was fun to dance again. I haven't danced in a while. So yeah, it was fun to start to dance again, and so I'm going for practice again today. Last week I had a headache after dancing and stuff, but I realized that I was not drinking enough water. So I discovered that during last week afterwards, because I had a headache for like two days and did not know why. So I think all the times that I've been having like headaches or feeling weird in my head is because I was not hydrated enough or not drinking enough water. So, and baby was trying to tell me, hey, knock knock, water please. So I recently got this thing. It's my best friend and baby's best friend. So it's full of water, and I'm gonna be drinking this down. I have to drink this whole thing by the end of the day, as well as 1 to 2 extra bottles after this. So for the whole day. So I'm gonna be sitting down, conserving my energy, and drinking water and fluids, and working on this grading, and then go watch what's going on. Thank you, baby. What did I say? I'm gonna be sitting down, conserving energy, so I have enough energy as well for later for dance, and yeah, sitting in this chair and grading this pattern. So that way I can just have it up on the site already. I feel like there's so much stuff that I need to get done. There is a lot of stuff I need to get done, and it's just timing and all kinds of things just coming up and whatnot. So I'm gonna try to get this done today, be done, and then I'm done with the customer's skirt pattern, so I'm gonna work on that most high willing tomorrow. Hopefully I don't have a headache because I'm drinking down all this water. So if anything, tomorrow I will start working on the client's skirt and have that done and out of the way. Hopefully it can be nice and quick and fast. I can get it done by the end of this week. If not the end of this week, I would say middle of next week, and then I can just send it off and be done. So yeah, that's my plans for today. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I need to drink some water now because it's kind of warm in this room. I would open the window, but there's people working outside on the streets, like working on the street and stuff, so it'd be extra loud in here. I'd have to open and close the door every time I was ready to say something to you guys. So I'm just gonna take my handy jacket off, hang it up, and get to work. Oh, I can't tell it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get started.
Yeah. All praises. I'm Yasharahla, all praises to a high. You know the word, baby. It's all truth. Hey, we're walking in righteousness, baby. Yeah. I'm happy. I love it. Walk in the truth and I follow commandments. I walk in the truth and I follow commandments. I walk in the truth and I follow commandments. I walk in the truth and I follow commandments. Walk in the truth and I follow commandments. Yeah. Walk in the truth and I follow commandments. Walk in the truth and I follow commandments. I walk in the truth and I follow commandments. I walk in the truth and I follow commandments. I walk in the truth and I follow commandments. Fighting these demons, follow commandments. Yeah. Follow the truth, follow commandments. Yeah. I got rid of my pride. I could never live a lie. Praise the higher in the sky. Only reason I'm alive, cause Yashakar give his life. For a higher I'ma ride, but Hashem Yashakar it's our time. Reading precepts line for line. Ain't no other God before him. Graven images I burn them. I won't bow down, I won't serve him. I could never be a burden, never speak his name in vain. Every demon I'ma slay, I will keep the Sabbath day, keeping every holy day. Honor thy father and mother.
Okay, hello. Hello. So I did not get to get through the whole pattern. It's my first time creating it, so, and with this technique that I have found. So I have it graded down to a size 8 from a 12, which is good. I'm excited. Let's see. Yeah, so I graded it. Graded the dress. I did not get to the sleeve, so that would be the only thing I would have to do. I'm gonna take a nap. Unfortunately, I didn't get to finish the full the full small. Did I say I was gonna do large first earlier? I don't remember. I thought I was gonna do large, and then I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna do the small first, and then do the large another time. So I'm going to do that, and I'm trying to see when I'm going to do the sleeve. So the sleeve is pretty easy. It's a lot easier. So I'm thinking I can possibly do it tomorrow, along with working on the customer skirt tomorrow. So I just have to get straight into working on it. So I can get done with both things. I need to get done with both things. So we shall see. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm sure it's a very short vlog. I didn't do too much talking, and I just kind of got straight to work and drank my water and kept it moving. So this may be just combined with the next vlog, and maybe possibly, we'll see. I don't know yet, but I hope you guys are having a great day, a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will talk to you guys later. It is time to put them down for naps, and I need to eat some more and drink a bunch more of this water. It's time. It is time. So I'll see you guys later. All right, bye.
And if you didn't know, now you're gonna, yeah.